Children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with geometry, Pythagoras Theorem, exercise 18, part 3. Here is the third question. Triangle PQR is a right angle at vertex R. That means there is a right angle triangle whose vertex is PQR and the angle 90 degree is at the vertex R. So you have to mark R just next to this angle 90 degree, right? Calculate the length of PR. They're asking us to find the length of PR if PQ is equal to 2.6 centimeter and QR is equal to 2.4 centimeter. So this is a right angle triangle. Let's understand it in a pictorial form first. And here what they are asking is, they are asking us to mark it as PQR and at right angle triangle. So this is the right angle triangle, that is 90 degree. So this vertex should be marked as R. Make sure that you mark this as R, and remaining two you can mark it as P and Q, right? So this angle is 90 degree and they are asking us to calculate PR, and here they have given PQ is equal to 2.6 centimeter, that is P to Q. From P vertex to Q vertex, that is this side, complete length of the side is 2.6, and similarly Q to R, P to R, we need to calculate P to R. So that is what I have placed a question mark, and Q to R they have given as 2.4 centimeter, right? So this is the given data. Now let's write it in a statements. Vertex angle R. At angle R, the vertex is 90 degree. That is angle PRQ. That is, you can write it as angle PRQ. Angle PRQ. I've just mentioned as vertex. At the vertex this angle is. So you can write it down as angle PQR is 90 degree and PQ is equal to 2.6 centimeter. RQ is equal to 2.4 centimeter. PR is equal to how much? This is the data which we got it from here, right? So according to the Pythagoras theorem, this is the formula. That is PQ square is equal to PR square plus RQ square. Just substitute these values over here. What is PQ? PQ is nothing but 2.6, right? So 2.6 square is equal to RQ. RQ is 2.4. So 2.4 square plus PR, we need to find it out. So write down as it is. Now we need to find this value. Firstly, let's multiply this square, that is 2.6 square. What does 2.6 square mean? 2.6 into 2.6. It will be 6.76 is equal to 2.4 into 2.4, that is 5.76 plus PR square. And now we need to find out PR square. So get this 5.76 to the other side so that you can get the value of PR square. This is the reason why we are getting this 5.76 to the other side. That means it becomes 6.76 minus 5.76 is equal to PR square. Here one is having positive sign, other is having negative sign. So which number is bigger? Either 6.76 or 5.76. Here it is 6. Before that point it's 6. And here it's 5. Is 5 greater or 6? 6 is greater. What sign does it have? It have plus. So just put a plus sign and subtract it. It becomes 1.00, because after point it is 0. You can just neglect it and you can cancel it up. And it becomes 1. So PR square. Now they have asked us to find only PR, but here we are having PR square. So our next step is to remove this square. How to remove this square? Just by removing the square, you can place a square root to the 1. So square root of 1 is equal to PR. So with which number you should multiply the number twice? The same number should be multiplied twice. That is 1 ones are, 2 twos are, 3 threes are, in that way. So when you multiply 1 into 1, it becomes 1, right? So 1 is the answer. So PR is 1 centimeter long. I hope you understood this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.